Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lithuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ngaphambi singene odabeni lwe-MK Party, earlier on senze ivideo lapho besikhuluma khona ngosisi osevula ama-cases awu-4 ehlukene. Kodwa khona elilodwa icase lelo elike laba impumelelo ngoba usisi lo uthi ubaba walesoka lakhe ubribe njalo amaphoyisa ukuze le mfana wakhe angaboshwa. Sabika futhi ukuthi lolu daba lolu selize ladlulela phezulu manje ku-ofisini lika General Mkhwanazi, naye udemand ama-answer, ubufuna ukwazi ukuthi kungani icase yalosisi ingazange attendwa, ngoba phela usewavulile ama-case, unama-case number awu-4 ehlukene ukukhombisa ukuthi ubelokhu wavula amacala kodwa lo mfo engaboshwa. Manje nje sekukhona indaba eyiphumile ne-update mayelana nalelo daba. Ke-update ithi KZN boyfriend arrested for assaulting his girlfriend and the girlfriend to face a charge of burning the boyfriend's car.
The coward that he is, ngishaya ekhaya uyabaleka and you leave your car. I want abantu bakubo to see that this is my cry for help. Did you get hurt? Yes. Yo. I need to go to the doctor. Sheila. Yes. Sheila, I need help. Help! Ah! I need help. I'm dying. Oh no! I need help. Where's your driver? Waza? Can you drive? Waza? We are also driver. Wasn't driver.
Ngobubona udaba lala khaphulile ukuthi usisi lo ngesikhathi eshisa imoto, angithi ubethela nje upetrol ngokucasuka, wazithela naye umelight umlilo wokheleka naye njengoba umuzwe sekhala kangaka nje. Kodwa inkulumo ayishoyo uthi lesi isililo sakhe ngoba lo muntu akakwazi ukuzomshaya kubo qeda baleka shiya imoto kanjalo. Asazi ke kodwa inkantolo lesiyobe sikhuluma ukuthi kuthiwani, kodwa nje amacala amabili akhona. Icala lensizwe ukuthi ishaye lo sisi necala lalo sisi ukuthi ushisa imoto. Asingene kodwa beni lomkhonto wesizwe party. Earlier on ngiye ngenza ivideo lapho khona engithe ngibona istatement ebesibhala ukuthi sivele ofisini lika president uJacob Zuma, ebesithi uTreasurer General womkhonto wesizwe party uyadismisswa kwiposition yakhe, not as a member but kwiposition akuyo yoba uTreasurer General uyasuswa kuyo, zabekwa nezathu. Kodwa leyaletha ngendlela obuyobe kuyiletha beyiqondene naye ngqo uTreasurer General. Sikhulumile ke ngalolu daba kwivideo yandulela le. Uma ngabe ungalizwanga ungabuyela kuleyo video leyo uzokwazi ukuthola ukuthi zithini izathu zokumiswa kwakhe. Ngithema ngithi ngena ku-X manje ngathola ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party usu announcele ke manje officially ukuthi uTreasurer General njengoba esusiwe ubani ozomreplacer no Chief Whip lapha eParliament, naye futhi sebemkhiphile umama uColin Makhubela, angimazi igama lalo ongenile. Sizofunda ke statement esiphuma kumkhonto wesizwe party. The statement umkhonto wesizwe party usikhiphe ngomhla ka-12 kuJanuwari 2026. Isihloko sithi Statement of umkhonto wesizwe party announcing leadership and parliamentary caucus changes. Sifundeka kanje. The umkhonto wesizwe MK Party wishes to inform the public and its members of important organizational and parliamentary caucus changes. taken in the best interest of strengthening the movement and advancing its political mandate. Following a decision taken by His Excellency President Jacob Zuma, together with the national officials, the party has resolved to relieve Comrade Mpiyakhe Limba of his duties as Treasurer General with immediate effect. The MK Party extends its sincere gratitude to Comrade Limba for his service and contribution to the organization during his tenure and wishes him well in his future endeavors. The party further announces the appointment of Comrade Brian Molefe as the new Treasurer General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Comrade Molefe brings with him extensive experience in public administration, governance, finance, and organizational leadership. His proven track record, strategic capabilities, and deep understanding of complex financial systems render him suitable, qualified to assume this critical responsibility at this phase of the party's growth. With regard to the parliamentary caucus, the MK Party has taken a decision to relieve Comrade Colleen Makhubele of her duties as Chief Whip with immediate effect. While she remains a member of parliament, the party thanks Comrade Makhubele for her contribution to the work of the caucus. To ensure administrative continuity, the party has appointed Comrade Mabato Mokoena Zondi, the NCOP Chief Whip, to act in a caretaker capacity over the role of Chief Whip for purposes of interfacing with the office of the Speaker and preside over internal governance within caucus. Furthermore, the MK Party announces the upliftment of the suspension of Comrade Vanessa Calvert and her immediate reinstatement as Chief of Staff in the Parliamentary Caucus. This decision takes effect immediately. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party remains committed to organizational discipline, collective leadership, and the strengthening of its structure in pursuit of the aspirations of the people of South Africa. For inquiries, ngaxhumana noNhlamulo Ndlela bafakileke imininingwane yabo. Beqinisekiseleke lokho ebesikhuluma ngakho earlier on ukuthi ubaba lo Mpiyakhe Limba obeka uTreasurer General ukhululiwe emsebenzini yakhe leyo bekayenza. Ngishilo ngathi izathu sizibalile kuleya video ngoba kuyiletha lesifundile ichazile izathu ezenza ukuthi asuswe kulesikhundla lesi. Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi usesusiwe yena funa phela kube khona umuntu ozongena khona. Ngakho la bebazisa ukuthi umuntu ozotake over uBrian Molefe. Ngapha eParliament inguquko ezenzekile umama uColleen Makhubele o-Chief Whip naye futhi sebemkhiphile kodwa useseyimember yeParliament. Kubalulekile lokho ukuthi bamsuse nje esikhundleni lesi sokuba uChief Whip kodwa yena useseyimember yeParliament. Bengithi nje angikuphe le update ngokwenzekayo futhi kakhulukazi ngoba udaba lelo esikhulume ngalo akapheli nama-hour amathathu nje sikhulumile ngalo. Ngakho ke kufanele ngikuphe update. Ngishilo futhi nakwi-video yandulela lengathi Umkhonto weSizwe Party ubungakasho lutho. Ngile ngibhekele kuma-official pages wabo ukuthola ukuthi bathini bona ngoba kuthiwa there are two sides to every story kodwa bebengakasho lutho. Yingakho manje ngithi ngoba sebephawulile bakhipha istatement asikhulume ngalolu daba ngikwazise nawe wazi ukuthi inkulumo ebesikhuluma ekuqaleni iyiqiniso injengoba inje. Futhi kube bebekhipha istatement beyiphikisa besizokwenza ivideo futhi sithi inkulumo esike sareporta ngayo Umkhonto weSizwe Party usuthe ngayo. Kubalulekile ke lokho esikwenzayo ukuze nawe ube neqiniso lezinto ezenzakalayo. Siyazi ukuthi la sehlukene. Kukhona abantu abangamamember Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Kukhona abantu abangamamember nje omphakathi akabelongi Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Akabelongi to any political party kodwa umuntu ovotayo ngenxa yokukhathalela izwe lakhe nokuthanda izwe lakhe. bonke labo bantu labo bayadinga ukwazi ukwenzakalani. Kukhona abantu abangamalunga ama-political parties ahlukene abazothola ithuba lokuthi bakhulume noma yini abayithandayo ngeqembu leli lisuke linalezo nkinga ngaleso sikhathi. So kodwa bonke labo bantu labo funeka baneliseke, ngoba uma singazisho lezi zinto laba abagcona laba be-MK Party abezukuba nento abazokhuluma ngayo, ngoba iyona into eletha injabulo kubo ukuthi bagcone laba. Manje kufanele sizilethe lezi ndaba vice versa, ngoba noma ungakhuluma nge-EFF noma ungakhuluma nge-ANC bakhona abathola ithuba lokuba bagcone laba abasupporta lelo qembu lelo. So bonke abantu funa beneliseke, abangamalunga bazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kwe-organization yabo, amamember omphakathi bazi kwenzakalani nje emhlabeni wezepolitiki, bese kuthi laba-ke abangayifuni leli qembu nabo phela babe nayo into abazokhuluma ngayo. Mina nawe sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo.